Dangers caused by Kerala rains is landslide, and that's what you could see behind me. This is a highway, Thrissur highway. We are on the way to Thrissur, and before Kudran Malay, the road has been completely become pretty dangerous because of sudden landslides, and you could see this particular road has been completely filled with it was filled with boulders, and right now the boulders have been removed, but the mud has completely covered this area. This is only causing a lot of trouble in transportation, and communication is becoming a problem in Kerala at this point. On the way to Thrissur is what you see, these kind of landslides. This is a third one in this road alone, and in fact one of the biggest ones. The Kerala government and the transportation unit are having serious trouble clearing the spots, but for now they have cleared the spot to such an extent that small vehicles can travel, so that medicines and emergency equipments and necessary items could be taken to the place. And this way, though Kerala is struggling a lot, people from all extent are trying to do their maximum, and the government has also asked people to be very careful, because you could see this kind of mountains filled with sand and boulders without any reason suddenly falls because of this rain. It has become unstable. You could actually see the water drizzling also even now as we speak. So this is what the government has asked to be careful about.
I'm at the Chala Government High School in Trivandrum, which has been converted to a relief camp for the thousands of people who are affected by floods in Trivandrum and neighbouring areas. And in fact, these are 17 people who have been rescued from Pathanamthitta just yesterday. They're all students of a theological seminary in Pathanamthitta, and they had to be rescued because their entire seminary was submerged underwater, and they were all stranded on the terrace of their building. And of course, the disaster management officials came and rescued them and brought them here. They're all very thankful for the efforts taken by the state government and the disaster management teams. They are, of course, also thanking the good Samaritans who've come forward to help them at this point in time. Even though they're all facing a lot of trouble, they are optimistic, and they're thanking the state government and the other authorities for helping them and rescuing them and bringing them to a safe place.
We have moved from the city of Wayanad to interiors. This is called Pannamvaram. There are over 500 to 600 families in this very colony. If I can ask you to ask the camera person to give panoramic view of this very location, you can see several houses are inundated completely. Now there is this one particular house. You can see that people have returned from relief camps. Now the one reason being, we understand that the relief camps are running out of space. Several people, most of the residents have just returned. They are trying to wash the clothes, ensure that the property inside their houses are not damaged. But however, talking to them, we see that in fact they have suffered a loss of over 5 to 6 lakh rupees is what they're trying to say. Here there is another house where you can see, now this has also partially collapsed. You can see the properties are all strewn across this is a road where we are standing, which is completely submerged. You can see there is sofa set, table, and then you also have utensils, in fact, strewn across this front of the house. And now we see most of them have been vacated to relief camps, nearby relief camps. But however, like I pointed out, while some of them have returned, because remember, they have especially appointments with a doctor, but what they say is that several hospitals are also inundated and they are unable to give treatment. So on to my right, if I could ask my camera person to pan, here's also an electric pole which has been brought down. We see that children are involved over here to cleaning their house. They're trying to, in fact, empty the buckets which have completely been filled with water inside their house. So this is the ground situation right now at this point in time.